translate every sentence in your head before speaking, and by the time you finish, the conversation's over. That mental exhaustion, it ends today. By the end of this lesson, you'll start thinking directly in English without translating. Skip this, and you'll always be one step behind in every conversation. Brian, do you remember learning English?
Yeah, I took Spanish in school, actually.
Did you translate everything?
Every single word. It was so slow.
Exactly. That's the problem. Your brain is working twice as hard. First your language, then English. We need to stop that.
How do you just stop translating?
You don't stop all at once. You start small. First step, think in simple English sentences about what you're doing right now.
Like what?
Right now, say in your head, I'm sitting, I'm listening, I'm drinking coffee.
Just describe what's happening?
Yes, present tense, simple actions. This trains your brain to use English automatically.
So not complicated sentences?
Not yet. Start with 3 or 4 words max. I'm walking, I'm hungry, I'm tired.
That seems too easy.
Easy is good. Your brain needs to make English feel normal, not hard. Let's practice. What are you doing right now?
I'm talking.
Perfect. Say it in your head. Practice that. Say, I'm talking.
I'm talking.
Excellent. Say it again.
I'm talking.
Good. Now add one word. I'm talking to Emily.
I'm talking to Emily.
See? You just made it longer naturally. That's how you build the habit. Now here's step 2. Label things around you in English only.
Label them?
Yes. Look at something and think the English word. Don't translate. Just the word. Door, window, phone, cup.
So I'm creating English associations?
Exactly. Your brain will connect the object directly to the English word, not to your language first.
How long does that take?
Do it every day for 2 weeks. It becomes automatic.
What about more complex thoughts?
We'll get there, but first, master the simple stuff. Because here's the secret. If you can think, I'm hungry in English without translating, you can think anything.
It's just practice?
Mostly, your brain is a muscle. You're training it. Now, step 3, talk to yourself in English.
Out loud?
You can, or in your head. Narrate your day like you're in a movie.
That sounds weird.
It works. I'm making breakfast. I need to check my email. Where are my keys? This is how native speakers think.
We just talk to ourselves?
All the time. It's how we process thoughts, and you need to do it in English.
Give me an example.
Okay, I wake up, I think, I'm so tired. I need coffee. What time is it? Oh no, I'm late.
That's natural.
It is, and it's all simple English, no fancy grammar. That's the point.
So I don't need perfect sentences?
No, native speakers don't think in perfect sentences. We think in fragments, short bursts.
That's relieving.
Right? Now here's step 4. Stop using your dictionary so much.
But what if I don't know a word?
Use English to explain it. Describe the thing instead of translating.
How?
Let's say you forget the word refrigerator. Don't translate. Say, the cold box in the kitchen.
Oh, use words I already know.
Yes, this is called circumlocution. It forces your brain to stay in English.
That's actually smart.
It is, and it helps in real conversations when you forget words. You can still communicate.
What if I really can't explain it?
Then look it up, but try first. Always try to stay in English.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Now, step 5. Change your phone language to English.
My whole phone?
Everything. Phone, apps, computer. Surround yourself with English.
Won't I get confused?
Maybe at first, but you'll learn fast because you use your phone constantly.
I never thought of that.
Most people don't, but it's powerful. You'll see English all day without trying.
What else can I change?
Everything. Think in English when you make your shopping list, when you plan your day, when you're bored.
Even when I'm bored?
Especially then. I'm so bored. What should I do? Maybe I'll watch something.
So it becomes natural?
That's the goal. You want English to feel like your language, not a foreign language.
How long does this take?
Depends. If you practice daily, you'll notice changes in a month. Real fluency? 6 months to a year.
That's faster than I thought.
Because you're immersing yourself, not just studying. Now here's a big tip. Dream in English.
I can't control my dreams.
True, but if you think in English all day, eventually you'll dream in English too.
Has that happened to you?
With Spanish, yes. One day I had a dream completely in Spanish. I knew I'd made it.
That's the ultimate test.
It is, but don't wait for dreams. Focus on your waking hours first.
What's the biggest mistake people make?
They try to translate complex thoughts too early. Start simple. Build up slowly.
So don't rush it?
Never rush. Let your brain adjust. It'll feel weird at first. That's normal.
What if I make mistakes in my head?
Who cares? No one can hear you. Mistakes are fine. Just keep thinking.
That's freeing.
It should be. Thinking in English isn't a test. It's practice. Low pressure.
I like that.
Here's your homework. Today, describe 5 things you do in simple English, out loud or in your head. I'm eating, I'm walking, I'm working. Just 5 things.
That's it?
That's it. Tomorrow, do 10. Build the habit.
I can do that.
And here's a question for everyone listening. What's the first thing you'll describe in English today? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. And if this helped, subscribe for more lessons that actually work.
Good luck, everyone.
Bye!